all around, nothing stays the same. Dancing all around, listen for the change. The floor is sprinkles. Okay, the floor is sprinkles. Wow! Look at all those fun colors. Everybody pick your favorite color. I like the green ones. Maybe we can eat the sprinkles. Maybe we can pick them up and throw them in the air like confetti. Whee! Moving all around, nothing stays the same. Dancing all around, listen for the change. The floor is pants? The floor is pants. Okay, the floor is pants? So many kinds. I see jeans and sweatpants and leggings and even cargo pants. I see you too, overalls, and I'm not quite sure if you belong here. Quick, everybody grab a pair of pants and try them on. First one leg, then the other. Oh no, you fell down. Moving all around, nothing stays the same. Dancing all around, listen for the change. The floor is emotions. Okay, so the floor is emotions. Emotions are feelings. Let's try and grab those feelings words. Happy, calm, sad. Here come some bigger ones. Let's catch them. Angry, surprised, excited. Remember, all feelings are important. Oh, here comes a really big one. Exhilarated. When I say floor, you say lava. Floor.
Lava!
Floor.
Lava!
Floor.
Lava!
When I say floor, you say lava. Floor.
Lava!
Floor.
Lava!
The floor is lava. Okay, the floor is lava again. Uh-oh. Pants on fire. Pants on fire. You know what to do. Keep moving. Be careful with that gooey, melty lava. Dance your way to safety. You never know what the floor is going to be next. The floor is pants!